Have you ever imagined creating daily content for Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and Facebook without writing a single word or manually logging into each platform? What if I told you that people are already automating all of this with artificial intelligence, creating unique posts and gaining followers and money while they sleep? The truth is, in the digital world, whoever automates first wins. And in this video, I'll show you how to build a 100% automated system to generate and publish original content across all major social media platforms using AI, even if you've never done this before. And the best part, no coding, no complications, and no spending a fortune. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where you learn in a simple and direct way how to use automation, AI, and smart digital strategies to build your financial freedom online. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I don't hold back here. And today's video is special because I'll show you how to create a multi-platform content automation using tools you probably already know, like Google Sheets, Perplexity, ChatGPT, and Make.com. Let's get straight to it. Everything starts with a simple Google Sheet. You will paste links to articles, news, or texts related to your niche. For example, if you're in the finance niche, use sources like Business Insider, Forbes, or Bloomberg. If it's tech, go for Wired, TechCrunch, etc. This becomes your idea bank, constantly updated. Why is this important? Because good content starts with good sources. You no longer need to spend hours writing or hiring writers. Just feed your database with relevant links. Let AI handle the rest. Next comes step 2, summarizing the content automatically. That's where Perplexity AI comes in. Instead of reading the entire article and creating your own summary, Perplexity does it for you using a lightweight and efficient API. Just paste the link, and it returns a concise summary ready to be turned into a post. You save time, boost productivity, and keep your posting consistent, which is key to growing on any platform. Okay, so now you've got raw content. Here's where the magic happens. Turning those summaries into optimized posts for each social platform using ChatGPT. But not the regular ChatGPT you access through the site. We're using the assistance feature via API, basically a turbocharged version where you train a specific assistant for each platform. You know how a tweet feels different from a LinkedIn post, or how Instagram captions are more visual and relaxed? That's why you create specific bots for each network using tailored prompts. For example, I have a tweet bot, LinkedIn bot, Instabot, and Facebot, each trained to generate content in the style of its platform. Here's where many people get it wrong. They use one generic prompt for everything and end up with boring content full of emojis and random hashtags. The secret? Use short, focused prompts that feel like a real thought, like it's coming from you. One of the best discoveries I made in testing was to write tweets as casual thoughts, not as marketing slogans. It changed everything in terms of engagement. On LinkedIn, I add a final question to spark conversation. On Instagram, I use visual storytelling, and so on. Now for one of my favorite parts. What about the images? Simple. Once the text is generated, you use DALL-E via Make.com to create an image based on the content. The automation reads the text and produces a unique image that matches the topic. And the best part? It happens automatically. The image is generated and attached to the post. This is especially useful for Instagram and Facebook, where visuals are everything. No more downloading from stock photo sites or worrying about copyright. The AI creates original images based on your content. Now comes the final piece of the puzzle: publishing the content to social media. This is where Make.com comes in, the brain behind the entire operation. If you've never heard of it, Make.com is a visual automation platform that connects tools and makes them work together on autopilot. It's like building a puzzle using drag and drop blocks. And the best part, no coding needed. You basically create a workflow by dragging modules on the screen. For example, 1. Trigger. Make detects a new link in your Google Sheet. 2. Action 1. It sends the link to Perplexity and receives a summary. 3. Action 2. It sends the summary to ChatGPT, which generates posts tailored for each social media platform. 4. Action 3. For Instagram or Facebook, it generates an image using AI. 5. Action 4. It publishes everything automatically, with text, image, and formatting in place. You can visualize the whole process like a mind map. You can test each step individually, set delays, loop actions, and even schedule it to run automatically every day. And yes, it connects with APIs from Google, Meta, Twitter or X, LinkedIn, and AI tools like OpenAI and Perplexity. It's a true command center for your digital content. Most of the automations I use today, for both content creation and digital sales, run inside Make. And the best part is that Make's free plan already gives you a lot to work with. But if you want full performance, you can use the Pro plan. They offer a 30-day free trial. Check the first pinned comment. So just to recap, you feed your spreadsheet with content links, and Make.com takes care of the rest. Summarizing, generating posts, creating images, and publishing. A 24/7 virtual assistant running on autopilot. And if you're wondering, does this really work? Here's a real-life example. In my AI and automation community, one of the members set up a project for personal finance. He pulled daily news from CNBC, had the bot summarize and convert into posts. In 30 days, he tripled his LinkedIn engagement and started selling consulting services through DMs, all with automated content. That's the power of scale. And you can do the same. In your niche, with your voice, and at your own pace. Of course, you'll need to set everything up. And I know it sounds like a lot, but don't worry. I created a full document with all the prompts, links, and connections. Just copy and paste. It's in the first pinned comment. No email needed, no fluff. This blueprint will save you weeks of trial and error. And if you want to take things further, like automating video clips or Instagram carousels, comment below. I want more automations. And I'll bring part 2 of this tutorial. Oh, and one last tip. Don't fall into the long prompt trap. Many people think that adding tons of instructions improves results, but it only confuses ChatGPT, leading to generic or off-topic responses. Keep it short, clear, and specific. That's the real game changer. So if you're ready to stop wasting time with manual posts and start scaling your online presence for real, this is your moment. Download the free blueprint with all prompts and setup steps in the pinned comment and start building your system today. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment which part of the automation you found most genius. Thanks for watching until the end, and let's profit smart.